to begin the configuration of the NLSS gateway. Click the Configuration button located on the Operations toolbar. The configuration menu consists of the following: Global, configuration of the gateways, remote managed services and system-wide parameters such as schedules. Identity, creation of badge profiles, access levels and configuration of cardholder credentials. Identity will be covered in Part 2. Access control of the Unified Security Suite training. Access control, hardware such as controllers, readers and input-output boards are configured from here. This too will be reviewed with the rest of access control in Part 2. Video, cameras, storage devices and NLSS HD media decoders are configured and or assigned. Permissions are configured using groups, roles, and users. Permissions allow a system administrator to configure roles that permit or deny users the ability to operate or configure specific devices and use specific functions. Face recognition, configuration of the face groups and face pools for the face recognition analytic. Face recognition is a subscription-based feature and requires a token to enable it. Intrusion, integrates DMP intrusion systems to associate cameras with a monitored location, and provide events to NLSS users when an intrusion event is detected. Intrusion is also a subscription-based feature and requires a token for activation. Adding and enabling premium features will be covered in subscriptions. We will continue with the gateway. The global configuration menu contains the following: subscriptions, to enable add-on features such as cloud services or facial recognition for this gateway. Customer information associated with this gateway. Sites, the specific site information associated with this gateway. Gateways, to configure and manage the gateway. Holidays, create, modify or delete holidays. Schedules, create, modify or delete schedules for camera recording and access control events to follow. Event type, predefined event types to apply to events generated across the system. Event severity, predefined severity levels to apply to events across the system to aid in prioritizing the events. Groomer settings, global management of video retention or archiving. Actions, behaviors associated with a device, such as a door or a camera. The action is triggered when a linked event occurs. The trigger is set using event linkages. Event linkages allow you to associate one or more actions with an event. This concludes the introduction to configuration and global configuration. The next suggested video training module to review is the gateway configuration section of global.